TECNO Spark 20, how to do hard reset. As you can see, we have right now, this is Spark 20, but this method will work with all other phones also. Right now we have KJ5, admin, this is 20, Spark 20. So as you can see, right now I'm in the recovery mode. So how to get into recovery mode and how to reset, do hard reset, factory reset. First of all, I will turn it off. Now you can see here we have 3 buttons here, 1, 2 and 3. Now you need to press power button and then volume up button together. When you see the logo, just release the power button and keep pressing volume up button, and you will see this error, no command error. So how to resolve this error and get into recovery mode? First of all, you need to keep pressing this power button and then press one time this power volume up button, and now we are in the recovery mode. Now what you need to do, first of all, so if you don't have a email account also, if you don't remember, so you can simply click on wipe data factory reset, click OK, and then factory data reset. So after that it will take time and you are done. So this is how easily you can do it. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mopo YouTube channel.